from $0 to $2,000 per day on Pinterest. Today I will share to you my method of testing to get these results on Pinterest ads. So let's go on my screen. So here you can see the results. So first day, no sales, second day, no sales, and then third day, ROAS of 6 just here with more than $300 here, $400, $900, more than 1K a day, 1 week after launching the ads. Here 1.1, 1.5, and then on Wednesday, more than 2,000.1, 2,000.4 the next day with a structure very specific on Pinterest because like we are scaling and starting with low budget, $5 per day, then $50 per day, and after scaling like with a horizontal scaling. So it's specific method for Pinterest. And to understand how it works, we're having like multiple campaigns here, and the total here for the first 14 days of spend. So we spent $2.6 thousand for a ROAS of 6.6 and $17,000 generated on the first 40 days. And how it works on Pinterest and how to do that, it's by using like a specific method, because Pinterest is a search engine. It's very different compared to Meta and compared to Google. It's a visual search engine when people are looking for inspiration. So you have different aspects and you can put your advertising in different positions. So for instance, here you can see sponsored. Here there is an advertising and it's very light. People are not seeing a lot of the ads, and the difference between an organic pins and an advertising pins, it's not very huge. And here, so there is a first feed. Here you have like the shop the look option when people can buy. So it's for shopping campaigns. So I will explain to you a bit later. And after that, like you can have also this feed when you can put your ads. So on Pinterest, you have different targeting. You have the keywords targeting, the interest targeting, and also the shopping targeting. And the goal here is to put your ads in the proper way on the platform to get this kind of results. And the cool things about Pinterest, it's that like the CPM are very low. Here, for instance, on this shop, we are at CPM on average at $1.16 the CPM. So that's very cheap compared to Meta when we are at more than $10 on the same shop. And the thing that you need to understand also, it's that Pinterest is a platform very visual. So you need to work on your visual, and with AI you have a lot of options for that. So you have different specs on Pinterest, but the more vertical you are, 2x3 it's the best. And here you can have like static pins, video pins, carousel. So there are a lot of options. So the goal on Pinterest, is to be very visual and to get inspired by your pins. Some people will save your pins. So that's a very specific behavior on Pinterest. So that's why it's important to start with low budget and then scale progressively, because Pinterest for the learning phase is very different compared to Meta, and it takes longer because Pinterest having like less data compared to Meta, it takes more time. So you have a learning phase between 7-10 days. In this account, it was very quick because we started at $50 per day, and then we're scaling in terms of spend at more than $300 per day in the next 14 days. But the thing is, the learning phase on Pinterest can take time, and here first day no sales, second day no sales, and it's only the third day that we getting sales, and it's pretty quick on Pinterest. It depends of the account, and it's here in a brand new account with no data. So that's why it's very important to understand the algorithm of Pinterest, and this algorithm is very different compared to the Meta algorithm. And you have also different options. You have the performance plus option. It's like the perf max of Google apply for Pinterest, but I recommend to add this option when you have a warm-up. And so the more difficult thing on Pinterest is always to get the first traction, but when you get it, it's very stable and you can scale pretty easy. So if you want to know more and to know how the algorithm of Pinterest works and which kind of creative and which niches work the best on Pinterest, so I will drop a link down below with my method. And also if you want to schedule a call with me to know if Pinterest can match with your business, I will put all the links down in the description. It was Luke, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.